Hi guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to turn your photo into an anime using AI. Lexica.art. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. As you can see right now, we are currently in the generate section of Lexica, and what you're going to do to be able to turn your own photos into anime is basically clicking on upload image over here on the top right and upload the image that you have or the image that you selected, and then simply type in a specific prompt over here. Let's say anime. You're not limited to turning your photo into anime. You can turn it into any type of designs that you want, and you could use that style. Or you could also look through the different history or the top arts that is produced in Lexica, and you can copy the prompts that they have. For example, over here, this is very realistic actually, so let's copy this. Or an anime style, has an anime style. So simply click on generate, and it will use your photo as a guide for the output that it will produce. So basically, it will use this photo and then have this as the design. This looks like anime, so it's the same thing. So if you don't like my style, you can search any other style out there. And as you can see, this is our output over here. Our character has been turned into an anime style over here. That's not going to be perfect. You will have to try again until you were able to get an output that you like the most. And that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.